We end the month of June 2020 with a strong long trades. Best quarter in the stock market since 1987. You have to wonder if the bulls are that smart or that delusional, stepping in front of this coronavirus and uncertainty and just being certain about the upside as the market continues to move higher. Most days with the best quarter since 1987. So Cobra 3 continues its streak, new equity peaks on this strategy, plus 812.50. Went through this drawdown from April to the beginning of this month. And so the beginning of this month, this strategy is up. Let's look at the periodic return for this strategy. 78.75 in Cobra 3 E-mini S&P. So very, very good month, similar to March. And just nice trading overall this month, plus 812.50 Cobra 3 E-mini S&P. One of our long-standing strategies that's still doing well. Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ minus 625. It hits equity peak yesterday. Let's take a look at where we are on the month for that. This is just one of those strategies I've had for a long time, and it's going back. This one's going back about 12 months, and you see it 3,900 this month. And it made an equity peak yesterday. So this is what real-world trading systems look like. A lot of people want strategies that they seek strategies that have equity curves that look like this, and because they don't want to endure drawdowns. But real trading, no matter what, will eventually have a drawdown. So when you look for a strategy like this, you might find it works historically, but it won't work in the future. So you're better off facing the reality of real strategies that have real drawdowns, and then combining diverse strategies into a portfolio, and that's what we do. And this is Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ. And this one would have done better today had it had a stop loss about 4 points bigger, stopped out near the low of that move. It's a very volatile market. We've talked about putting in bigger stops for this particular strategy because the NASDAQ has such big ranges. Gap fill master, plus 175. It had 2 losses in a row. And this is one of our high percentage strategies with a tight profit target. It never came back to its entry point. So this is one of those days where it opened near the lows and closed near the highs. This looks like just a surge buy program. Might feel like a stop run if you're short, and you had a stop loss just at 3101 or 3100. Might feel like a stop run here, but it's just like a buy program came in to run the market up to 3100. It's interesting. End of the month, end of the quarter, just a big 20-point surge at the end of the day, and then right back down. And sometimes that happens. We rode that one into the close. Right here at the 4 o'clock close, we exit the next bar at the market. So could have had a much better profit had the market not sold off. But we take the average of these closes and find that this is a good exit time. Plus 1850 on adaptive moving average. 60-minute breakout plus 975. Last 2 trades on this are profitable. Gap continuation plus 750. First trade was a loss and the second trade was a winner. And the market just went straight up as the Fed spoke today. The Mnuchin and Jerome Powell spoke in front of the House Committee on DC, and you thought, okay, here we go again. Every time Powell speaks, it could be a choppy, whipsawing market. But today it was choppy, but it stayed within its trend, and our strategies stayed to the long side. So all long trades in this workspace with 1 loss, only about 3 points on Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ. L strategy access 2. We have 1 long trade here, 60-minute breakout in Q plus 975. 1 long trade here plus 875 on QS3. All long trades today on our stock index strategies. And let's see, all strategy access 6. This includes a couple of our stock index strategies. No trades in all strategy access 6. All strategy access 3, Cobra Euro 4 plus, it was up a little bit on the day. It was up 312.50. Asia Gold 4 short plus 975. Gold hit $1,800 today. You can still trade the short side when you're taking a when you look at a market like this. If you think it's bullish, oftentimes you'll get some good trades on the short side. And we've had 3 in a row on gold that were profitable on the short side, even though gold is moving higher. It does so in such a choppy fashion, and it likes to pull back before it rallies. So you can catch short trades in a market like that. Oftentimes, counter trend strategy is the strategy to go if you're a short-term trader. Grains day trader 3 stopped out on that, minus 375. Big range in soybeans today, much bigger than normal. And all strategy axis for Cobra crude, conservative and aggressive, minus 325 each. And you know, this was looked like it was going to be a pretty profitable trade. Did not finish profitable, and market sold off here at the end. And Cobra Gold minus 625 also lost. So all 3 trades lost in this workspace today. This is the natural gas trade from yesterday. All strategy axis 5, no trades. So good trading day, good finish to the month. Last 2 days have been pretty profitable. Look forward to posting the results for all the portfolios in the portfolio calculator, and then making a video and going over those. We'll have those either later tonight or tomorrow.